Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. I hope you're all okay. We've got another beautiful piece of arm candy to show you today, and this is the Bottega Veneta Intrecciato Napa Hobo, and it's gorgeous. I love it. The texture of this Napa leather is so tactile and it's so gorgeous. I really love it. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one top handle just here, and then we have a zip top closure as well, so that zip still works really nice and smoothly. And then inside, open it up and show you in there. So in there you can see we've got one zip pocket at the back, so I'll open it up for you. So one nice big spacey pocket in there, and then we've also got another little flap pocket on the opposite side, and the inside lining is in this lovely mushroomy wintry neutral colour, which is gorgeous. So condition wise, you can see that it has kind of got a little bit of dullness to some areas on the leather, especially along this zip top closure. Just get it in a light so that you can see it. It's just started to dull a little bit in areas, and you can see that there's some creasing and things along the handles. Those corners are actually in lovely condition. I'll show you on the opposite side as well. Overall, we've called it good because it is in a lovely condition. You can see from what I've just shown you, there is a couple of signs of wear. You know, it's creasing a little bit in areas, but that colour is still lovely overall, and it's in a lovely, comfortable, relaxed hobo shape. The inside, again, interior, called good. You'll see it's not perfect in there. There is a couple of marks here and there, just along that lining. You can see just a few marks and signs of wear here and there along that lining, but it is still in a very usable and lovely condition, and the colour on the inside is still gorgeous as well. The hardware, there's not much hardware, but where there is hardware, it's this lovely dark silver colour, you can see. But there's just a couple of areas you can see where the zip's been used, where that colour is kind of faded and dulled a little bit. But again, that is in good condition, because as you can see, it still works very nicely, and overall it's still got that very nice colour to it as well. The scent, there is a little bit of a scent. It's not unpleasant, it's just kind of a storage scent from where it's been stored, but with use it will fade away. So that is the condition of this bag. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got Bottega Veneta dust bag, and then this is my favourite part of the bag actually. We've got a little Bottega Veneta envelope, and inside got a little pocket mirror as well, which is so sweet. I really like that, so it's a nice little addition to the bag. I will show you the size of the bag. If you wanted any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Bottega Veneta. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a lot of other beautiful arm candy on there, so if this isn't on there, have a browse through all of the rest of the beautiful arm candy we have on our website for you. Or if this is really what you're hoping for, just let us know. Send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and we will send you through an alert next time we get in one like this with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So for the size on me, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", so I'll come back and pop it on my shoulder so you can have a look at it like that. It does just about sit nice and comfortably on your shoulder like that, and because that leather is so soft and tactile, it does just sit really nice and comfortably there, or you can hold it in your hand like that, and it's just got that lovely relaxed casual shape to it. So for more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below, and that will take you to our website, armcandybagco.com. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. So don't miss out on that discount code. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel if you're a bag lover like we are, and then you don't miss out on any of the gorgeous bags that we have to show you. And also, while you're on our website, have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on there. So have a look on that page, have a read through, and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.